Okay, so it's Tuesday, May 15, about 9:32 p.m., 2018. Well, the rain actually stopped. It's just that now that you can hear is this thing pouring out. So I think it might be the good time for me to start up the Frigidaire instead. I'm not starting on my route, I'm just gonna make a quick video out of it because I'm hoping I'm not getting struck by lightning. In fact, I'm glad that light still works. So I'm gonna start this one up. Holy crap! Some thunder right there. Just gonna. There's like a lot of water from that unit. Holy crap. Dang, there's water pouring right there. My Frigidaire. There's the data code right over here. So 5,000 BTU from 2017. This thing is running. That's a pretty cool air right here. That's nice and warm right there, but it's like water coming out of it. Alright, I'm just gonna shut that off right now. And I just heard something crackling right there, but anyways. Hope you enjoy the video. I guess over now.